Greetings, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. I'm Larry, the pen book guy. Today is unpackaging day. Yes, the mail just came in and I got some stuff in packages to show you, and I'm excited. So let the opening begin. Here we go. And here are 3 cool pens. All 3 are piston fillers. And I will be doing a review. I will be doing, a review soon on these pens. And some of these pens will be giveaways. Twist caps, a nice pen, piston filler. So you want to stay tuned for that, okay? One is a gold, one is a purple, and one is a black. All right. Oh, and the nib sizes on these Chinese pens are fine. So we'll be giving them a whirl soon. Let's set these aside. Cool little pens. Now, here is the pen that I've been waiting on. It took me 3 years and a few months to decide to get this pen or not. Why did it take me so long? I was really unsure if this pen would fit my needs. Would I use it enough? So it hit me about a week ago. I woke up one morning and said, yes, I want this pen. But another problem came up. The nib size. What size? As you already know, I am a medium nib type person. Oh, I do like some broads. I do like 1.1s, 1.0 stubs, 1.5s. And I've been getting into fine nibs from China. That kind of has make me like fine nibs. So, what do you say? Let's open up this package to show you what's in here. Enough of the chitter chatter. Let's get down to business here. This comes all the way from Japan. And it didn't take that long to get here. When that doorbell rang, I knew what it was. No surprises, nothing in the envelope. Here we go. Nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, of course. And this is how it looks so far. So let's unwrap it. Just like Christmas, right? Yeah. Christmas at Larry's house. Yay, Christmas. Santa has come. And we get all this stuff together. And here it is, folks. That's it. About 3 years to decide to get this pen or not. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Nice cardboard box. I do like the presentation of the pen box. And now let's go into the pen case. Off we go, and we'll see this together. Oh, there it is. Yay, I love it, don't you? Nice. So, one more time. Well protected. Oh, my stars. Are you ready for a beautiful fountain pen? Are you really, really ready? I mean, like, are you truly ready? So here it is. Ta-da! The Justice 95. Look at that beautiful, marvelous fountain pen. Can you just feel it? Can you actually feel it? Damn! Nice pen. And I'll take it out, and I'll cap it and close it. Let's see what else is in here. It comes in a nice foam cushion there, and with a cartridge and your instructions. So that's that. Yes, I'm totally blown away, and I'm totally excited. So let's set this aside and give this pen a whirl. Put it right there on my pen pad, right there. I'll be doing a review on this pen. Yes. Yes. Well, that wraps this one up. I will be inking this babies up and give them a test run. And my review will come on for both of these pens in a few 3 to 7 days. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you're excited as I am, because I am pumped up. Peace. Leave your comments below. And don't text and
drive.
Later, guys.